Alright, welcome to Think of It. So if you're showing zero balance, I'm going to show you how to fix that. You're showing zero balance in your Helium wallet. It's a real simple thing to do, to fix. All you have to go down, you just have to go to your settings and go down here and change your API provider. Right now, you want to go from, if it's on StakeJoy API, you want to switch it over to Helium API and it should fix it. So watch, let's go back and see if it's fixed. Look at that. I got all those heliums in my wallet. Such a quick, easy fix. If that solves your problem, go to the comments, tell me I'm a genius. And for more tips and tutorials, if you got problems, you need a problem solver. And you could join the Discord down in the comments, the Think a Bit Discord. You can learn everything about anything in there. So that's it. Hopefully this worked for you, and goodbye.